Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be making fluffy slime without borax, laundry detergent, liquid starch, so let's get started. So firstly you're going to be needing some PVA glue, some shaving foam or shaving gel, some spray starch, and this is going to be your slime activator, some paint, but this is optional, a mixing utensil, a mixing bowl, and then lastly an airtight container to store your slime. So the first thing you want to do is add in the desired amount of PVA glue into your container. Then you want to go ahead and add in a little bit of shaving gel. Then you just want to go ahead and mix that in until it is combined well. Next I'm just adding a little bit of green paint into my mixture. And you just want to mix this in until you're happy with the colour. You can always add more paint in later on. Then you just want to go ahead and grab your spray starch, which is your slime activator, and you just want to shake the bottle up well, and you just want to squirt in a couple sprays of this. And then I'm just mixing this in, and as you can see, the mixture is starting to clump together and peel away from the sides of the bowl, and this is a good sign that the slime is actually starting to form. And now you just want to add in the spray starch squirt by squirt so that the slime completely forms. So as you can see, the slime is completely coming away from the edges of the bowl. So as you can see, when I touch it, it doesn't really stick to my hands. So I just now decided to take it out of the bowl. So you just want to start kneading the slime just to get rid of any lumps. And you can add an activator if it seems a little bit sticky. So your slime is now done, and as you can see, it's super fun to play with. It's super fluffy and jiggly, and I definitely recommend using this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. It was super fun to make, and I hope that you guys subscribe to us and give this video a thumbs up. Bye!